Hello everyone, this is Vrushali. In previous session we discussed about all types of testings and defect or bug life cycle with example. I have mentioned complete software engineering subject playlist link in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss the next topic, that is testing versus debugging. Let's start the session. Now as per your exam point of view, this difference is important. First we understand what exactly testing. So testing is particular process where tester find out all the bugs and errors in your project. Now testers send all these identified bugs to the developer for solving purpose. So this is called as debugging. Debugging is a particular process to solve and correct all the bugs that found during testing. So basically testing means identified all the bugs and debugging means solving those bugs. So testing is performed by the tester and debugging is performed by the developer. In testing, testing can be performed manually or automated, but debugging is always performed manually. Here developer try to solve all the errors manually. Testing has different types of levels like unit, integration or system testing. But debugging is completely based on different types of bugs or which types of bugs have present in particular project. In testing, tester didn't require any programming knowledge. But in debugging, here developer required a detailed programming knowledge for solving a particular bug. Now, testing is a part of software development lifecycle phase. But debugging is not a part of software development lifecycle. It is a subset of testing phase. Testing can be performed after coding phase of software development lifecycle. But debugging is performed after all the execution of test cases in testing. In testing, tester can plan, design, implement different types of testing process and test cases. But debugging process cannot be planned because it completely depends on which type of bugs have present in particular project. Testing include verification and validation process. We already discussed verification validation in previous session. But in debugging, here developer try to solve all the bugs logically. So this is the main difference between testing and debugging. Now, as per your exam point of view, what is difference between testing and debugging is important question for 7 marks. You have to mention minimum 7 points in particular difference. So this is all about. Thank you. Keep learning.